Alright, so the problem that we're going to be working with today is Miranda baked 300 cookies. Some of them were chocolate chip cookies and 128 of them were sugar cookies. How many chocolate chip cookies did Miranda bake? We're going to be using the US standard algorithm for subtraction to be solving this problem, and I'm also going to be using these base 10 blocks to model each step as I walk us through this problem. So first and foremost, we want to look at the ones place, and we see that we cannot take away 8 from 0. So we're going to move over 1 to the left to the tens place, and we see that we cannot take away 2 from 0. So one more time, we're going to move over to our hundredths place, and we're going to borrow a group of 10 from our hundredths place. Now, what does that look like with the blocks? We're going to have to take, our group of 100 and decompose it into groups of 10. And with that, we'll have 10 groups of 10, and we know that 10 groups of 10 make 100. Okay. So we're going to bring one of our groups of 10 over back to our tens place, making this a 10. But that's not where we needed the 10 originally. So we're going to make this into a 9 and bring over our group of 10 to our ones place. And we'll see that we have to have, we're going to have to decompose our group of 10 into ones. And we're going to be taking away 8 from 10. So let's go ahead and cross out our 8 blocks. And we can see that we now have 2 blocks left over. So we'll put a 2 in the ones place. Okay. Now moving back to our tens place, we see that we have 9 groups of 10, and we're taking away 2 groups of 10 from the 9. So we'll go ahead and cross out our 2 groups of 10, leaving us with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 groups of 10 in our ones place. Okay, now coming back to our hundredths, we can see that we have 200 minus 100. So we're going to cross out one of our 100s because we will no longer be using that, because again, we're taking 100 away from 200. And we are left with 1 100, a group of 100. So I will be putting 1 in our 100th place. Whoops, that's a terrible one, but you get the gist. And we can see that our answer will be 172. And that is how you use the standard US standard algorithm for subtractions and base 10 models to solve this problem.